So let's learn about AND function and how to use it with if. So first understand the logical function AND, how it works and how it is beneficial to use. So what exactly AND is? AND will provide you true when all these conditions that is being inserted in this is true. Let's suppose that I am using AND function and I am putting some logical test like 6 is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than 4. We can see here that 6 in actual 6 is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than 4. Both conditions are true. So it will give me true. Now I'm copying this formula here and just changing the sign, this one. So the first logical test 6 is greater than 5 is true, but the second logical test is false. So now I can see that this gives us false because both conditions are not true here. So please do remember, whenever we are using and will give us true only when both conditions or all conditions within the and is true. Now let us implement it with if and how can use it and enhance. So let's suppose we are using if, and if I wanted to see that score 1 and score 2 is greater or not. So first I will use and, then I wanted to say if this condition is greater than 50 and this condition is also greater than 50. So basically we wanted to check that if this student has a score 1 greater than 50 as well as score 2 is greater than 50, then and only then he pass, else he is fail. So all values is greater than 50, so none of them are showing as fail. Let us change that value as 45 and 34. So in the very first condition, we see that the both marks is greater than 50. So both condition is true. That's why it gives the first value true. Again, the second value, actually this number is not true as per the condition. That's why it gives a second value if false. And that is how we are using if and together, and it is very fruitful